Hey, buddy, Bill Murphy with Fairway Mortgage. Super excited to bring you the last CE event of the year, December 15th, 11 to 1. Lunch will be courtesy of attorney Jess Albino, as always, and she will share her legal perspective. But this isn't just a CE class. This is going to be jam-packed, filled with all kinds of information that you need to start off your 2022 super strong. We're going to cover rates, forecasts in the mortgage market and real estate market, where we see house values going, appreciation. We're going to cover credit tips, some new tips that are coming out that no one's ever heard of. And this is where the differentiator is. We have more agents now than almost ever. 2006 was the last update of this many real estate agents. So you are competing for every single listing and buyer out there. So we're going to bring you Shalimar from Stress to Bless Marketing, who's going to help you stay relevant in the mortgage and real estate sphere. Shalimar, take it away.
Yes, I'm super excited. So staying relevant is just one component of being top of mind and also demonstrating your credibility. So an easy way to demonstrate your knowledge and expertise is to be able to use these constant changes that we have in the industry as an opportunity to reach out to your databases, to reach out to prospects. And we're going to talk specifically about how you can use social media in order to spread that good message, to spread that news so that people can take advantage of all of these opportunities. And then also you're showing that you're staying on top of them as well. And that's why they should choose you versus somebody else that you know the most.
Can't wait. The largest segment of the population is age 33 as your first-time home buyers. So if you're not online getting reviewed, you're going to lose out, because that's how these millennials are choosing their agents. So Shalimar is going to teach you how to increase your SEO and get reviews. Can't wait. We'll see you on December 15th, 11 to 1. Make sure you register below.